Well, the narrative has turned quite negative recently, despite the first rate cut in years, thanks to cash flow pressures on households, the overhang of poor housing affordability, high migration, and the tariff wars coming from the US. And yet, if you look closely, there might just be some signs of green shoots. But then we need to ask, is this signal or is it noise? For example, the latest Westpac Melbourne Institute Sentiment Bulletin released today reported a solid 4% rise in March, lifting to 95.9 from 92.2 in February, which we note, though, is still in negative territory as the survey details show the score is still 4% off the neutral level of 100, where there are the same number of optimists and pessimists. They said, though, that the recovery in consumer sentiment, which began in the second half of last year but lost its way a little over the Christmas-New Year period, regained momentum in March. The RBA's decision to cut interest rates in February and a further easing in cost of living pressures have proved a clear lift, they said. So the bottom line here is, sure, there is plenty of noise in the data, but can we really say it's signal? Can we really call the green shoots coming? Well, let's wait and see. I'm a bit more skeptical than some of the bank analysts, but then maybe they've got other ships to row. The bottom line is we are still in a dark place, and those green shoots, if they do exist, will be quite small and probably get stamped out over the next few months as tariffs continue to rage and, of course, an election coming soon.